Now we are going to know about gear ratio. What is the actual formula for gear ratio? Driven gear by driving gear. Okay. Here the shaft, this is a power input. The small gear is a driving gear. The large gear is a driven gear. Okay. Here we are going to calculate the ratio for this particular gear portions. By using of a mating types under mechanical mate, I am selecting this gear type, just picking the circular edges and initializing the teeth number of 24 teeth value, and the large number of the teeth is nothing but 36 number teeth value. If you define with the formula driven gear by driving gear means 36 by 24 overall 3:1. If you revolute a small gear with the 2 revolution means the large gear rotate 3 revolutions. Okay, this is how we can easily define the gear ratios. What was the output was? It is a simple formula, easy to define the shapes. Look at it now. I'm just rotating our primary driven gear or a driving gear. First driven gear. Look at it, if I rotate a 3 revolution means actually the output of 2 revolutions in the driving gear. This is an output. Now I am going to rotate the driving gear by picking off this point and rotate the shapes. Selecting and rotating the component. 3:2 is the actual ratio for these gears. Okay. For more details, you can learn at